Hey, do you want anything? Hey yo, come back here! Oh, if you want to know how to make a heavy UI in Unity, stay tuned. Here we are in Unity, where I've prepared a player and an enemy who can damage the player by touching him. If you want to learn how to program anything of the things you just saw, just take a look around my channel. But now let's create the heavy UI for our player. And to do this, just right click here and press on UI and create a new canvas. Then drag in the sprite which you want to use as you have icons down here in the folder. For that I quickly drew this simple heart in creat. It is very important to draw an outline, background and the filling of the heart, and you will see why in a bit. Now press on the sprite, make sure to select sprite mode 2D and multiple, then click on the sprite editor and slice them up. Good, after that's done, click on the canvas and create 3 UI images, and now drag each of your sprites in one of those images. Now create an empty game object in the canvas and drag these 3 images in it just so everything stays nice and clean. You can now go ahead and position them the way you like and copy and paste as many hearts in the scene as you want. Alright, now with that's done, let's open up the health script of my player. I'll now create 3 public game objects which I name Heart1, Heart2 and Heart3. It is very important in order for this to work that you've got a variable in your script which contains the health value of the player, because we will use this variable in a bit. And now just go ahead in your update function and write 4 simple if-else statements, each corresponding to the 4 health states the player can have. 3 hearts, 2 hearts, 1 heart and 0 hearts. And all that's left to do is to adjust the 3 hearts to be on or off in each of these cases. And to do this we will just use the setActive function, which turns a game object off or on. For example, when the player's health is 3 hearts or more, Heart1, Heart2 and Heart3 have to be activated, so we'll write true in the brackets. And now just prepare this for each case. Now last but not least, go back in the scene and drag in the fillings of the hearts into the corresponding places. And bam! We are done. So let's test this. Now you look at that. If our player gets hit, he loses a heart, and if we fill in his health up, his hearts will also go back up. Now if you want me to cover a different topic next time, just write it in the comments. And please leave a like if I was able to teach you something new. So see you next time.